Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable disabled apps on your Android phone. So if you did this to like Google Chrome or something like that, and you go to app info on it, you can disable the app right here. So you can see, you can just disable that. And then when I try to go to Google Chrome, I don't even see it on here anymore. So it might be like hidden on you. So what you want to do to re-enable this is just go to the top right, go to settings, go to apps, go to see all. Go to the app that you disabled. So here's Google Chrome. You can see it's disabled right here. It literally says disabled right next to it. And you can go to disabled apps and you can find this real quick. Then all you have to do is go to enable right here on the top. So you might have done this by accident when you're looking at this app info page, or you might have went to like force stop and you tried to fix the application because it wasn't working or something like that. So you can just clear the cache for the app right there and then relaunch it and force stop it. But yeah, it's very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.